Hey people, you know what I just did? I have these little rabbits, right? So one of these rabbits, they say water doesn't suit rabbits, like as in you shouldn't, ever give you a bath to your rabbit. But just now, this one little rabbit, it had like, uh, I don't know, I had to just to take it and just wash its hind legs, in beneath the tap. And when I was doing that, the first it was struggling, but then after a while I think it realized that the water flowing is so, it was very nice, right, sometimes. And then the rabbit began to relax, it's like it was like almost it was, there's this like it was just completely chilled kind of expression it had. And I've seen a video also of a rabbit being given a bath in a sink or whatever, in a very nice this star hotel sink kind of thing. And that animal is like enjoying the process. So just now seeing the rabbit, I noticed it was just totally enjoying it. So seeing it enjoying it, even I'm feeling so good. Yeah. So I think this is the key to life, that if you give happiness to someone else, you automatically feel nice. So I'm going to keep this in mind, because I think this is a very special thing to remember. So really, people, it's the secret to happiness. If you want happiness, give someone else happiness. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.